How to add or remove a widgets on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add or remove any sort of widgets on your home screen. So first thing first, just long press on your home screen. To add a widget, you should see a particular option that is widgets, and simply tap on that after long pressing on your home screen. So let's say I would like to add this particular weather part over here, so I'll simply click on it and a pop-up will appear which says add. So I can simply tap on add, or I can even long press and hold it to actually drag and drop it to wherever I want. So now to remove it, you can basically long press on that particular widget which you just added. You can actually remove or put it wherever you liked to align it perfectly as well. So to remove it, just long press on it and simply click on this remove button over here, and just like that your widgets will be removed. So that is exactly how you can easily add as well as remove your widgets on Android device. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.